Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Pearl Tiger, 360 Unite, and Gill Shark 470. So yeah, orb. But yeah, I'm really happy with this one. We finished season 1. So season 1 is complete. Now we're getting into season 2 stuff. Very, very soon, actually. There we go. Boom. That's it. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's her bae right there. Maltese sister. His QR code. And actually I really like this design. If it was heavier, then yeah, will be good. QR code. Let's get the main bae from this. The main reason why I got this. Let's get that. Yes. So there's the 360 and Unite. Really happy to have her in my collection again. This is a bonus. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.